I am the developer who made the game Northern Journey. It is available on Steam, so check it out in the link below. Hi! In this little devlog I will show you what I have been up to for a new game. I wanted to create a modular enemy. Skeletons are an easy type to make. The skeleton mesh was made more carefully than I usually have done. Fewer and higher quality enemies is what I want in this project. A skeleton is easy to divide into smaller segments. It will be made by combining individual meshes, so the skeleton can be gradually destroyed in-game. I created animation sets for several combinations of damage and for 3 different weapons. I also made a simple system for making variations and setting the damage state of the skeleton from the editor. Things like which bones are missing. Armor, helmet and weapon will block the player weapon, so the player need to analyze where to strike. The concern I have for this system is using collision boxes. For a slow frame rate, the weapon collision box can move deeper into the enemy, thus bypassing armor and triggering damage. I may need to create a collision system that prioritizes armor over damage, or instead base it on line trace. The way the player sword is controlled was also modified. Now you can select the angle of strike and stab or chop with 2 mouse buttons. Next is the Cathedral. It should look good from the outside, so I tweaked the model. It needed 2 towers as well, so I went to Blender and made the segments. The mood is very important, so I made a little part of the environment. As of now, I want the player to start in a besieged stronghold. I really want lava. A lava eruption emitter was needed for testing. This emitter is made for far away distances and not with full quality. It is placed inside an actor, and the actor will trigger it at random intervals. Combined with some smoke and glow, it kind of looks cool. For a brutal barbarian world, this is the thing that will make the level come alive. To understand how the siege should feel, I made some objects that can represent a barbarian army camped outside. 3 different tents and a working catapult. I then spread them out on the plain below the fortress. It should feel threatening and claustrophobic. With some simple lava flow, it started to look more like the level I want. When a level looks kind of okay, it is much more easy to get new ideas and understand what is still wrong. This is how I greybox a level. Then lastly, I took the post-process material from the inside of the cathedral and adapted it. The outline distances had to be tweaked, and I modified it to create darkness in the chasm below. Northern Journey then took all my time. I discovered a bug in a level. When the player location is very far away from the world origin, combined with very high frame rates, the physics and character move system could break down. So I had to rearrange the whole level for each walkable area to be inside a certain radius from the origin. That took a lot of work. I hope to be able to put more hours into this new game, but support for Northern Journey must still have first priority. I'll see you on the next one.